darlings, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I make my moringa oil. I have been trying Ayurvedic hair regimens and I have been trying some individual herbs as well. So moringa oil has a lot of minerals and vitamins in it. It's also known to revive dry hair, and it's also known to increase blood circulation on your scalp, and it also boosts hair growth. So I decided to try this oil out, and guys, I'm so not disappointed. So in this mixture I'm going to add also a bit of argan oil, because argan oil is very light, and I really enjoy light oils on my hair nowadays because I don't want my hair to be way down. Apart from argan oil, I'm also going to add in olive oil. Olive oil has been my #1 favorite oil from the beginning. So everything I do, I add olive oil, and I really like how it makes my hair feels as well. And since we are going into the summer, olive oil is known to protect your hair also from the sun. So that will also save you from some kind of heat damage from the sun. So for this mixture, I added 2 teaspoons of moringa powder in a container. I used a small container because I wanted to make a smaller batch. Like I mentioned before, I'm trying out individual Ayurvedic herbs in the form of oil or in the form of spritz or something like that. So I don't want to make too much of each individual Ayurvedic herb that I try. So I just took a small jar that I'm going to try it. I just also eyeballed the argan oil that I added into this moringa powder, and I went ahead and I filled the jar up with olive oil. Afterwards, I went ahead and give it a very good stir. As you can see, some of the powder were also dry underneath, so it's really important to stir it up really well. And I kept it in a dark place for about 72 hours. I think the minimum that you can keep it in a dark place is 24 hours. But since I am using the other Ayurvedic oil and I don't necessarily need this oil at this moment, I decided to keep it for 3 days in a dark place. So after 3 days, I went ahead and transferred the oil in an applicator bottle. As you can see, the oil has changed color. It's really darker right now, and all the powder have settled underneath the jar, which makes it really easy to transfer it from the jar to the applicator bottle. So I just put it in a flexible container so that I can easily put it in my applicator bottle. So the oil was a bit too much for my applicator bottle, so the rest of the oil and the powder, I'm going to keep it in the jar for a while, and I will use it for a pre-poo treatment or something like that. So I have been trying this oil on my hair for the past maybe 4 weeks. And I must say, I really love the effect that this oil has on my hair. It makes my hair really soft and also really silky. On top of that, the shine that this oil gives my hair is out of this world. I really love it for that. So as you can see here, I use it to oil my scalp, and I also use it for my scalp massages. And you can see how my scalp is shining, and the hair underneath my new growth is also shining and looking all healthy and stuff like that. And I really wish that you guys could feel how my hair is feeling right now. It made my hair so soft, guys. If you don't try out any oil at all from this Ayurvedic line, you should definitely try moringa oil. I think it is really good for our natural hair, for our thin fine natural hair. And apart from that, it doesn't weigh your hair down at all, even though I used quite a good amount of olive oil, but I didn't use any castor oil, so it's not weighing down my hair at all. So I do also go ahead and moisturize my hair with it. So I go ahead and do my normal moisturizing routine, which is spray my hair with liquid and going in with my cream, and on top of that I apply the Moringa oil, a few drops of it. As you can see, my hair is also really shining here. Look at the twist right here. It makes it so shiny. I'm really glad I decided to try this oil out individually, and I'm looking forward to try out more herbs in form of oil or sprays or something like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have tried out Moringa oil before and how it works for you, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching and stay safe until the next time. Bye.